Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to create a Notarycam account and notarized Epic identification form with Notarycam. This is second step in Epic verification process. If you don't have Epic account, watch my first video of Epic ECFMG account or Epic verification. Once you download your Epic identification form, next step is to notarize it. With Notarycam, for that you need to have a Notarycam account. To create Notarycam account, first you will open email on which you receive your Epic identification number. Then you will click on the link of the Notarycam given there, www.notarycam.com/ECFMG, or just Google it. When you open this link, this type of tab will appear. Here you will click on complete your Epic identification form. When you complete your Epic identification form, you will be asked, do you have a Notarycam account? As you are new to Notarycam, click on I want a new account. Here you will enter your email address, first name, last name, country code and phone number. Then you will be asked to confirm your email address. At the same time, you will receive email on your given email, in which a link will be provided to verify your email address. You will click on that link, then this tab will open. Here you can see that they have created a password for you. You can either save that password and use for further login purpose, or you can create your own password by clicking on set a custom password. Here you will enter your new password and click on continue. Then you will sign in to your Notarycam account by entering your email and password. So you will arrive at this tab. To use Notarycam, you will need the PDF file of your EIF, that is your Epic identification form, your original passport and computer with a webcam. However, you can also do this on your mobile phone. You will scroll down as you have both the PDF of EIF and color image of your passport. You will select yes in both fields and click on continue. In next step, you will upload your Epic identification form and your passport. Then you will enter your Epic ID and give consent to Notarycam. Before moving forward, if you found this video helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Here you will allow Notarycam to test your camera and microphone to make sure that both are working well. Because after next few steps, you will be connected to a notary, with whom you will have a little chat on video call regarding your ID verification. So here you will click on begin test. After testing microphone and camera, you will have to verify your identity. Here you will click on start ID verification. You will select your country and then you will select ID document. After that, you will upload the photo of that document. Next, you will be asked, are you ready to meet with the notary or you want to schedule a meeting? If you want to join meeting right away, you will click on I am ready to join. Next, you will arrive at this waiting area. Here you will wait for notary. Waiting time can vary from 20 minutes to sometimes even hours. Once your meeting with notary is finished, you will receive this email stating that we have received your Epic identification form and within 3 business days, your Epic identification form will be accepted. After that, you will log in to your Epic account and in identify documents, you will see that your Epic identification form has been accepted. So next step is to upload and verify your credentials, including your medical degree and other documents.